A few weeks ago, we did a show.
You never put in your bloopers.
Yes, I do.
No. Who wants to see more Spencer bloopers? Hey everyone, welcome back to the show. I'm Christy.
And I'm Spencer.
And we have been boondocking in Idaho for the past couple of days along the Portneuf River that has a bunch of different really pretty waterfalls. So we've been hiking and exploring. We also have train tracks behind us, which you might see during the show, but Kate has been loving watching all the trains. It's just been a really, really great stay.
So we've been having a great time exploring around here, and it occurred to us that we have yet to do Smashburgers on our show. So we figured there's no time like the present, and today we are making black and blue bacon Smashburgers.
So let's go fire up the Blackstone.
A few weeks ago, we did a ribeye steak dish with Blackstone's blackened steak seasoning, and it was so good. So we decided that we wanted to use it again. So today we're going to use it on our Smashburgers, combine them with blue cheese.
And
Fantastic.
of course bacon, because I mean almost every meal we make includes bacon. So
Because bacon.
yeah, speaking of that, that's the first step.
Yep.
We're gonna get that going on the Blackstone.
Get that going. Today we're using Wright's thick cut hickory smoked bacon. And I've got the griddle set to medium so that we can get a nice crispy finish on it.
Well, we've got the bacon on the griddle. I'm gonna get our Smashburger balls together. Got a pound of 80/20, Spencer's favorite and preferred meat
Please
here.
tell me why. Please tell me why.
Because of the flavor. All right, so we're making 2 Smashburgers today, and we're gonna double up that meat. So I'm just gonna divide this into quarters to make our burger balls.
Time to flip our bacon over, and it is looking absolutely perfect.
Next up, I'm gonna just sprinkle a little bit of salt on here. Gonna flip them over, make sure we get both sides. Now it is time for the good stuff, the blackened steak seasoning. We'll be doing like all the sides on our burger balls here.
Our bacon is done. It's nice and crisp. I'm going to pull it off the griddle and set it aside for now. And in preparation for our Smashburgers, I'm going to turn the heat up to high, and I'm going to leave all that bacon grease behind because that's what we're going to use to cook our Smashburgers in.
Sometimes we really just have to laugh at Mother Nature, because right now we have a rain cloud above us and it is not supposed to rain today.
Looks like it's raining back in that canyon back there, actually.
All right, let's get these burgers on.
I'm going to spread the bacon grease out so we got a nice layer of that on the griddle.
Remember to leave room for the smashing.
We don't have a burger press, so my pro tip for the day is to get some oil or grease on the bottom of your spatula and use it and a set of tongs to press out your Smashburgers. It works just the same, and that oil or grease keeps the burgers from sticking to the spatula. While the first side is cooking, I'm going to hit them with another dash of the blackened steak seasoning.
Today we're using brioche buns, and I'm gonna get them buttered because we're gonna put them down on the griddle as well to get them toasted.
We've had the burgers going for a couple minutes, so it's time to flip them. That's what we want to see, that nice, charred, seared surface on the burgers.
Nothing like a little rain cloud to speed up things here.
Luckily, we're cooking Smashburgers. They don't take that long to cook, so I think we're ready to go.
All right, we're going for a layered style here. We're gonna put our buns down, burger, bacon, blue cheese, then double it. Burger, bacon, blue cheese. Okay. So then we're gonna take our crispy bacon, break it in half on each burger. We've got our blue cheese. That smells lovely. Oh my gosh, blue cheese is definitely one of my favorite cheeses to cook with.
Yeah, it's got a great tang, and it's
Yes.
such a good flavor.
And then now we double it up. It's crispy bacon, blue cheese. It's like a masterpiece. Work of art here.
And a bun topper. Probably burned by now. Perfect.
Here we go. That's delicious.
Speechless.
Yeah. That's so good. That blackened steak seasoning has so much good flavor.
That's awesome.
It's so delicious.
And the tang from the blue cheese.
Yep, like I said,
complements the meat so good.
It absolutely does. And then the crunch of the bacon, the char on the outside of the burgers, even the crispiness on our buns, or this whole sandwich. It's just perfect. So good. Thank you so much for tuning in. Be sure to subscribe, ring the bell so you don't miss any of the shows from Todd, Betty, CJ, Nate, Bruce, and of course us.
This is Destination Delicious. We're gonna go smash our Smashburgers, and we will see you down the road.